Oi, mind my eye. Sure it's silly. Have you ever smelled something so horrible, Barry? No, I never, Alf. Jumping into a dirty canal and giving us extra work. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, Gordon. Alright, we're done now, Gordon. You can open your eyes now. Wake up, Gordon. Listen, you will pull no more coaches till you are a really useful engine. Do I make myself clear? Yes, sir. Will do, sir. Good strengths, good strengths, good strengths. It's degrading for an engine like me.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Trucks will be trucks, you know. Well, they won't with me. I'll teach them. Go on. Thank you, Gordon. They tried to push me down the hill this morning. It's slippery up there. You'll probably need some help. As if. I don't need help on hills, you know. Well, if you say so, little James. Slippery hills indeed. I don't need help on them. Gordon always thinks he knows everything. Come on, come on. Express coming through! Take care on the hill, James. It's slippery up there. Don't worry, Henry. I don't need help on hills. No one ever listens to me. Don't worry, Henry. I'm sure we'll be hearing from him in a few minutes. I feel like something bad's going to happen. What makes you say that, Phil? Well, look at the tracks. There's lots of leaves. Come to think of it, I feel the same way. Don't worry, you two. We'll be fine. Look, the home signal's clear. Full speed ahead! Oh dear! Oh dear! Steady on, old boy, steady. Sand, Harvey, pour some sand. I can't. Your wheels are spinning too fast. Ah! Well, that was tense. I've never seen something like that happen before. I have, in Bincombe Tunnel, southern region. Now what? Well, sent for a banker, obviously. Gordon, James needs help getting up the hill. Would you mind helping? Stuck on the hill. Ha! I told him he'd need help. Well, what do we have here then? I thought you could climb hills. I know. You were right. I should have asked for help. I'm sorry. Ah well, we live and learn. Never mind, James. I'm going to push from behind. Whistle when you're ready. I'm ready, Gordon. Pull hard, James. We can do it! We can do it! We will do it! We will do it! We're almost there! We're almost there! We're getting there! We're getting there! We've done it! Hooray! We've done it! Hooray! Thank you, Gordon! Goodbye! Well done, Gordon. Wait, Gordon, where are you going? Where else? Off to pick up my next goods train, of course. Oh, of course. Gordon, Henry's been delayed at Vickerstown. Would you mind taking his train for him? Will do, sir. Phew! What a funny smell. What? Do you smell a smell? I can't smell a smell. What are you on about, Thomas? A funny, musty sort of smell. No one noticed it till you did. It must be yours. Annie? Clarabelle? Do you know what I think it is? What? It's ditch water! Okay, that was quite funny. He's dreadfully rude. I feel quite ashamed. I feel quite ashamed. He's dreadfully rude. Why did you do that, Thomas? Do what? Say whatever you said to Gordon. Because it's funny. You thought that was funny? Don't worry. It's Gordon. He'll get over it soon. It's no use, Annie. He won't listen. I agree. You mustn't be rude. You mustn't be rude. You make us ashamed. That was funny. That was funny. Goodbye, you two. I have to go to the lead mines for a while. See you later. I hope you treat Gordon with more respect by the time we come back. Silly old board. Thomas, how hard is it to follow the rules? Oh, nice try, boyo. Not this time. You shall not pass the board. Look, everyone, Thomas is trying to pass the board. Oh, you snitch. Oh, lucky for me, I have the perfect idea. Come on. Now for my plan. Oh no, he's really done it now. Come back! Stupid board. There's no danger. There's no What's going on? Fire and smoke. I'm sunk. You know why you aren't allowed to pass the board now? Oh dear, I am a silly engine. And a very naughty one too. I saw you. Ooh, please get me out, sir. I won't be naughty again. I'm not so sure. We can't lift you out of a crane. The ground's not firm enough. Let me see. I wondered if Gordon could pull you out. Gordon? Yes, sir. Down the mine, is he? Oh, what a joke. Slow down, Gordon. The branch line does have a speed limit, you know. Isn't it funny? He laughs at me for falling down something, and then he falls down something himself. What's he doing here? Don't worry, Thomas. We'll have you out in a couple of puffs. I hope so. Are you ready? Heave! I'm sorry I was cheeky earlier. That's alright, Thomas. You made me laugh. I like that. I'm in disgrace, you know. I feel very low. I could do with a laugh every once in a while. I'm in disgrace too. Why, so you are then. Shall we form an alliance? A what? An alliance, Thomas. United we stand, together we fall. You help me, and I help you. How about it? Sounds good. I'm in. Great. That's settled then. It's a promise. A Thomas promise, you could call it.